Now I am going to dictate a legal passage based on latest judgment of the Kolkata High Court at the rate of 120 words per minute. Let's start. This court had been called upon to examine the validity of an order passed by the court below where the parties failed to produce proper documents or annexed incorrectly typed documents. This does not happen in isolation. Rather, is a routine which sometimes results in miscarriage of justice in case the issue are not examined in detail with proper assistance of the parties, especially the state where it is party to the lease. It may also put the court to ridicule. The challenge in the present petition is to the order of the High Court dated 12/10/2022 passed in writ petition filed by the state where the order passed by the tribunal dated 08/01/2016 in an application filed by the petitioner was set aside. An interesting issue which arises is as to whether an employee in an establishment is entitled to claim promotion on a post for which he does not fall in the feeder cadre, and the post is required to be filled up 100% by way of direct recruitment. Another important issue is whether a vacancy meant for direct recruitment can be filled up merely by issuing a circular in the establishment and not by issuing an advertisement calling application from the eligible candidates from public at large. The petitioner herein was working as a peon with respondent state. She was appointed as such in the year 1978. The petitioner filed a representation dated 07/01/1999 to be appointed to the post of treasurer. While the said representation was pending, the petitioner filed OA number 628 within brackets C of 1999 before the tribunal at Kotak. The same was disposed of at admission stage by the order dated 26/03/1999 directing the respondent therein to dispose of her representation within these months from a date of receipt of order pursuant to this. By the letter dated 05/07/1999, respondent communicated to the petitioner that the post of treasurer will not be filled up on promotion from the lower category of post since it is not a promotional post, and vacancy of treasurer will be filled up in due course by conducting the interview. The petitioner filed another application bearing OA number 126 within brackets C of 2002 before the tribunal inter alia seeking for the intervention of the tribunal against the discretionary action of the respondent authority with regard to her promotion to the post of treasurer. The said OA was later transferred to the principal bench of the tribunal at Bhubaneswar and was registered as OA number 742 of 2009. Learned Tribunal by the order dated 27/09/2010 disposed of the said OA directing the respondent to consider the case of the petitioner along with similarly placed class 4 employees for their promotion to the post of treasurer against available future vacancy within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of the order. By the order dated 23/11/2010 passed in compliance to the order of the tribunal dated 27/09/2010 passed in the application filed by the petitioner. Her representation for appointment on the post of basic level treasurer was rejected due to ban on recruitments imposed by the finance department's in the third routine of litigation in the application filed by the petitioner before the tribunal impugning the order dated 23/11/2010 by the order dated 08/01/2016. The respondent was directed to promote appoint the petitioner on the post of treasurer against any vacant post in case no post is available. Then the last person so promoted noted after the direction was issued in the earlier OA filed by the petitioner be reverted. Strangely enough to note here that no person was impleaded as a party who may be affected by the order passed by the tribunal in case benefit is given to the petitioner. A review petition bearing RP number 28 of 2016 preferred by respondent therein was rejected by the order dated 28/02/2017. Stop. Thank you.